This is my 1975 Camaro. Over the winter, we have officially put back together the engine after having a gasket leak and put it all back together. Bolts all in the right place, coolant hoses all back where they need to be. The only problem is our battery here. These old side posts, they never really did work or get the job done. They turn it over for a second, but they don't actually work. Now, we could also have an issue. We could have that off 180 degrees, but who knows until it actually starts. So my next goal is to get a battery, start it up, and then go from there. But yeah, she's fully restored from the inside out, and she is ready to come back to life. If you want to help me, go ahead and just keep watching this video over and over, and eventually I'll get enough views to get a new battery. If you guys want to help me out, comment, and I'll look into GoFundMe or something. I don't know.